I'm at Southern Truck and Customs Truck Auto, full service, custom and upholstery. Seen off the highway. Just had to stop through. Got some nice old school cars out here. Crazy paint job. Everything done on the inside. $1939 Buick Special. $20,000 my best offer. Crazy what you see off the highway. Ford. It's crazy. I don't know if y'all can see in now. Definitely got some beautiful cars out here. Got a Bel Air right here too. Body is A1. Body look real good. Interior not bad. Look like it just needs some tires. Polished bumpers. 1936. Do good work. Do some nice work. I think it's a Plymouth. 1968 Plymouth. So they want 18,000. Roll runner, 440 motor, 4-speed trans, solid body, floor pans replaced, ready for paint. 18.8. Pretty sure you probably get the bumpers and everything. This is on air ride. See the air ride box in the tank down there? Look like a nice little air ride tank and a gas tank. Clean Ford. It's not primer, it's paint with ghost flames. Like a crazy gray. Seats. Real nice and clean. This look like a 74, 75. It's navy blue. Look like a 75. Could be a 74. Just missing the trim. I think it is a 74. Just missing the bumper fillers. It's locked. '74. Paint at the Why they say that's a 74? Caprice or Impala, 74. So we got a nice one. I like that. That one's real nice. That paint job is crazy on there. Got a Cuddy. Oh yeah, she a beauty. She a beauty. Yeah, she definitely nice. Oh my. Oh my. They went all out on that. All out. AMX. Floor shift. Crocodile. AMX. They got a ton of vehicles. Checked a couple more. They're closed, so just looking at it. Wish they was open. Being that I like to do upholstery. Look like a nice shop. Got a little bit of everything. A little bit of everything. Southern truck and customs. And customized truck, SUV, van, boats. You see it. They got some nice ones. I'm amazed why they work in the middle of nowhere, but close to 95, not too far. So there you have it, me on the highway, going to my event that I got this coming this summer to get the drag strip for this summer for the car show and grill racing. Seeing a whole bunch of cars, just a fleet of cars at a shop. Now, second time going up there, Colonial Beach, from Richmond, Virginia. So I was like, man, these cars don't move. So I had to go check it out. I like it. Definitely bring tourists to your shop, you know what I mean, to check out all the old school cars. Evidently they must sell a lot of cars, but very unique. The interior was magnificent on probably like at least 75% of them. Magnificent. I would love to go there, and maybe I'll go there before, you know what I mean, my show in June, and just check out the inside of the shop and see what they had on the inside, because that was the outside. So imagine what they have on the inside. It's probably remarkable. I like to see what kind of custom work they got going on. And y'all tell me what y'all like to see. So, you know, that way when I do go back, I can give y'all the footage that y'all want to see. But it's crazy. It's crazy to have that much money sitting outside. I can only imagine what the inside is like. So a nice custom shop like that, doing great work, you gotta support it. You gotta support it. It's not too many good shops out there. And most of them were almost all complete. So even if they are a customer car, they're complete. Like they're probably waiting on pickup. But who knows? It might just be there for their revenue for the shop. But the outside was pretty nice, from all the way from old schools all the way to what? I think the Cuddy was like an 80 model, like an 83, 84 if I'm not mistaken. So, y'all, I know the oldest car I seen was like a 34, 1934. So that's pretty nice range, you know. They ain't stuck in one criteria. So maybe y'all like the next video I post up. As you can see, the Viper dump still in works, about to get back to work. So hope y'all like the channel, like, subscribe, turn on the notification button, and comment. Appreciate y'all.